Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI gaming monitor not turning on. So here's a guide for your power, LED and firmware checks. Fix 1. Check the power connection. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to the monitor and the wall outlet. Try a different power outlet. If your monitor uses an external power adapter, ensure it's connected properly. Fix 2. Check the power LED. If there's no LED, the monitor may not be receiving any power. If it's orange or amber LED, the monitor is in standby mode. If it is white or blue LED, the monitor is powered on but may not be receiving a video signal. Fix 3. Press the power button. Press and hold the monitor's power button for 5 to 10 seconds, then press it again to turn the monitor on. Fix 4. Verify the video cable. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI display port or USB-C cable. Check for bent pins or cable damage. Try a different cable or another video port on the monitor and computer. Fix 5. Select the correct input source. Open the monitor's OSD menu using the joystick or navigate if possible. Go to input source and select the port you are using like HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Fix 6. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable, hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, wait for a minute and plug the monitor back in and turn it on. Fix 7. Test with another device. Connect the monitor to another PC, laptop or game console. If it works, the issue is likely with your original computer or graphics settings. Fix 8. Check your computer. Make sure the computer is powered on. Connect the monitor directly to the graphics card instead of the motherboard if you have a dedicated GPU. Restart the computer and update your graphics driver if needed. Fix 9. Factory reset the monitor. If you have access to the OSD, open the settings menu, select reset or factory reset. Confirm the reset. Fix 10. Inspect for hardware issues. If the monitor shows no power light, no image, and doesn't respond after trying different outlets and cables, it may have a faulty power supply or internal hardware issue. Contact your MSI support or arrange for warranty service if the monitor is still covered. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.